Welcome to this quick tutorial, which will guide you on setting up automated support by utilizing AI-suggested articles in email notifications. With BoldDesk's AI capabilities, admins can set up notification templates to include links to articles that match ticket inquiries suggested by AI whenever clients submit support requests. These AI-generated articles in email notifications, sourced from the self-service portal, help clients find solutions to their issues without the intervention of the organization's support team. This results in faster issue resolution and enhances the overall customer experience. For detailed information about the BoldDesk's knowledge base software, follow the link in the card above and the description below. Now, let me show you how to set up notification templates for new ticket creation that include article links. I log into my BoldDesk account as an administrator and open the Admin Center. Then, I navigate to the Email Notifications module. On the Contacts Notifications Management, I open the new ticket created and navigate to the Templates tab to open the templates. Here, you can modify an existing template or create a new one based on your need and plan permissions to customize the templates. I'll modify an existing template and update the settings. From the More Options menu, I select the Edit option. Then, I click the Insert Placeholders option and select the AI Copilot Suggested Article List to render a list of links to the AI Suggested Knowledge Base articles. You can also insert the AI Copilot Suggested Article List Count placeholder to render the count of the suggested articles. Once the template is configured correctly, click Save to update the changes. I open the Notifications tab and assign the updated template from the drop-down as the notification template for newly created tickets associated with the brand. When a new ticket is created, AI will automatically resolve it by suggesting relevant articles and returning a response via email. Support is also provided for using conditional logic with liquid template language to customize the content based on whether a knowledge base link is present. And that's it. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.